Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Karna.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening. Did you complete your homework?
No, ma'am.
No. Did you start?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to do those questions today, right?
Yes. Ma'am?
Why didn't you? Huh?
Ma'am, aren't there any explanations like before you start the chapter in the IMO workbook?
Yeah, there are.
Ma'am, so can you send me like those two? Because so then like if there are stumps I have doubts I can
Yeah,
read
but the workbook which I'm sending you for questions from, that does not have any theory. So the theory I will give you, okay? We will discuss the theory in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Till the today's chapter which I sent, till that theory we had already covered, no, in the first class, that co-primes, twin primes and all.
Yes, ma'am.
That is only there in the questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So after this, this 30 questions we will complete. Then we will do some more theory of geometry. Then only we can start the geometry questions. And in the workbook which I have, it does not have the theory part. It only has questions. So I am giving you theory from another book that we will be discussing in the class. Okay?
Ma'am, can you wait 1 minute?
Yeah. Why didn't you do the homework? Was it that the questions were tough for you? You were not able to solve,
No,
or
ma'am.
you didn't attempt?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I didn't have that time.
Okay.
Ma'am, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
we can start.
Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. I'm starting the whiteboard. Okay, you start reading and trying the first question by the time I just start the whiteboard.
Ma'am, where should I find the questions?
I sent you the question PDF, no?
Okay.
Also, I'm opening it on my screen, but see, half of the time I have to open the whiteboard, right? So it is better that you open the questions with yourself also. I will
Yes.
be sharing it on my screen also.
Ma'am, where is it? I didn't get it.
I sent to ma'am.
Mom didn't send me.
Oh,
I don't see the homework. Mom, ask mom to send me today so that I can do it tomorrow.
okay. So,
Ma'am, can you share the screen so I
yeah,
can
yeah.
question?
Now the thing is, no, I can share the screen, but half of the time I have to open the whiteboard also. And I thought you have the homework PDF, but ma'am didn't send you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's what I was messaging her, and she told that she's checking that. Ma'am is saying that she has sent you. Check again, Karna.
Mom, mom, she didn't. No, ma'am. Mom, she didn't send me.
Okay, I told her.
Ma'am?
Okay, Karna, I told ma'am to send you again. Till then, you can see my screen, okay? Karna, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay? Okay, so can you see my screen now? Maybe we will start with some geometry part until that questions comes.
Oh, no,
Okay?
ma'am, I don't see it.
You don't see my screen? Okay, wait. Now you can see, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so can you show the questions?
Yeah, first we can start with the geometry part until ma'am sends you questions.
Ma'am, which chapter is it?
The basic geometry.
Yeah, like which chapter is it?
After the numbers, there are number system. There are 3 chapters, right? Third one was playing with numbers, I guess, and this is the fourth one after that. But
Okay.
the third chapter we are discussed to do the left to discuss the questions. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, ma'am. So can you show me the first question?
First we are starting the theory. Then when ma'am will send you the PDF, then we will do the questions.
No, ma'am. I'm like saying like the fourth chapter. Like, can we solve it?
Yeah, but first we will understand it. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Just like for the first 3 chapters, we had done the basic concepts. After that, we started the questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In a similar manner, we will just go through the basics of the chapter. Okay, so now tell me what do you know what is line and line segment and the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, line segment has 2 points. And
Yeah,
a line is a continuous thing, it never ends.
infinite. And ray is this, right?
Ma'am, ray has only it
One,
has a start point but no end point.
right. And you can name a line in 2 ways, okay? Like you can name a line as this way, that this is a line L, this is a or
Yes, ma'am. Or else you can mark points.
yeah, that is for a line segment, okay? That is not for a line. And for ray, you can write that this is a point A and this is a ray emerging from point A. This is all basic, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and line segment, you know that. Now, line segment does not have a definite length, or it has a definite length?
Ma'am, it has a definite length.
Length, right. But a ray and a line does not have a definite length,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay.
Fine.
Now you know what are curves?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I don't know how to tell the definition.
Yeah, there is no definition, okay? That is not much important. And you know the what are planes?
Ma'am, what are
Planes. You know that?
planes?
Plane. What is a plane? Plane is basically a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all the directions.
Ma'am, then that's not the spelling, right?
No, this is the spelling. This is only the spelling of a plane.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, plane is a flat surface.
Ma'am, is it not PLAIN?
No. This is only the spelling of a plane. You are saying this, no? This is not the spelling. This is the spelling. That is of literature, okay?
Ma'am,
Now,
ma'am,
yeah,
plane is a flat surface which
extends.
okay.
And plane has length. Plane has a length, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Plane has breadth,
Yes, ma'am.
but plane does not have thickness, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, there are some axioms. What do you mean by axiom?
Ma'am, what do you mean by?
Axiom.
Ma'am, I don't know what that means.
These are universal truths which does not have reason but they are accepted. That are called as axioms.
Oh, God.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
You know the axiom 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's write it. Okay. First, a line contains infinitely many points.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a line, it doesn't contain points.
No, this is only the first axiom. So many points only make a line like this.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, no need for me to write this down, right?
Yeah, that this is not so much necessary. You can write the definition of plane. You can write the axioms also once if you get time. I'll share you the PDF afterwards. You can write.
Yes.
Okay, this is not so much important in the terms of Olympiad, so we'll go fast here. Okay, through a given point, an infinite number of lines can be drawn. You know this?
Yes, ma'am.
And the third and the final axiom, exactly one line passes through two different points in a plane. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Means if there are two different points in a plane, so you can find only one specific line passing through these 2 points. You can't find any other line that will be passing through both of these 2 points. Correct, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is what are the axioms. And now tell me, if there are two lines in the plane, they can be either intersecting or parallel, right?
Yes,
Is there
ma'am.
any third possibility?
No,
No. Now, what are collinear points?
ma'am.
Collinear points.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know it, but like I don't like I forgot the definition.
Like they are all lying on the same straight line, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if they are on the same straight line, we can say that the points are collinear points, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then tell me what is the meaning of concurrent lines?
Ma'am, I have no idea.
No idea, no? So write this. Okay, this is an important point. Karna,
Yes, ma'am.
see, if there is a point and 3 lines pass through that same point, okay, so then what you will call the point? Point of concurrence.
Yes, ma'am.
3 or more than 3 also it can be. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, you know no, how to measure the angles with the help of protractor?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't have one.
Yeah, it is not needed. Just you have to know how to. Even
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Olympiads, that will not be used much though. You just have to know how to name that. Like, if
Ma'am,
this,
ma'am, acute angle.
yeah, acute or obtuse is not what I'm asking. What I will call this angle? Angle AOB, right? Or
Yes, ma'am.
angle BOA, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, acute angle is less than 90, no?
Yes, ma'am.
90 degrees right angle. And 90 to 180 is
Ma'am, 90 to 180 is up.
obtuse angle.
Yes, ma'am. Up to.
And what is 180 degree?
Ma'am, straight angle.
Straight angle. And greater than 180 and less than 360?
Ma'am, it is.
It is
Ma'am, reflex.
reflex.
Yeah, reflex.
Very good.
Ma'am, and then 360 degrees is called complete angle.
Yeah. Okay. So this is because this will be used a lot. So you don't have to make mistakes in this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now triangles. Equilateral triangle, isosceles, all that you know?
Yes, ma'am. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles.
Scalene. What is a scalene triangle?
Ma'am, all sides are unequal.
All sides are unequal. What is a acute angle triangle?
Ma'am?
What is a acute angle triangle?
Ma'am, an acute angle triangle, for example, you can take a Norman triangle.
But what is a acute angle triangle by definition? That all the angles should be acute, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Not only one, but all the angles
Yes, ma'am. All the angles.
should be acute. For then tell me what is a obtuse angle triangle?
Ma'am, all the angles should be of.
Is it possible for all the angles to be obtuse?
No, ma'am. Also, only one will be
Obtuse.
Awesome.
Because see, if one is greater than 180, then either then the both of the two remaining two will be less than less than 90 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, if one angle is more than 90, sorry, I told 180. I have to say that one angle is more than 90 degree. Okay. So you know that the sum of all the three angles is 180. If
Yes,
one is greater than 90, then the sum of the other two both will be less than 90. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Also, there is a right angle triangle. So,
Only one, it contains only one right angle.
one angle should be 90 degree. Can two angles be 90 degree? Is it possible?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's only possible with a Square, not a triangle.
Right. Okay, so sum of all the three angles of a triangle is?
Mom, it should be 180 degrees.
Yeah. Okay, now we will move to the quadrilaterals, then circles.
Yes, ma'am.
This is fine, no? We can complete the theory in faster manner so that we can focus on more questions. This is a better approach, no? Because theory, most of the things we know already, but the applications is the main thing where we face problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Quadrilaterals. Now, what are quadrilaterals?
Mom, any four-sided shape.
Yeah, shape with four sides and four angles.
Four right angles.
Not necessarily right
Yes, ma'am.
angles.
Not necessarily, but yeah, four.
Four sides and four corners.
Mom is called vertex, right?
Yeah. See, all these properties also there will be in your syllabus, no? Of parallelogram and all that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mom, we finished it last year.
Okay, great. So tell me, what is a parallelogram?
Mom, it's it's like a rhombus only, but it's a little bit more like a rectangle.
See, we don't have to compare what is it to like. We have to discuss the properties. So tell me, what is the property wise? Like opposite sides are equal and parallel?
Yes, ma'am. One parallel side, sorry.
Right. And tell me about the angles.
Ma'am, no right angles.
Like not necessarily right angle. But
Yeah,
adjacent angles are
adjacent
supplementary.
angles.
Adjacent angles are supplementary, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what are adjacent angles again?
Adjacent angles means, see, if this is a parallelogram, so like the one nearer to other, this way, like see, if you say x, if you say y, so x and y are called adjacent angles.
Yes, I understand.
X and z are called adjacent angles. But y and z are not called adjacent angles.
Y and some other letter below it is called
Adjacent. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, diagonals bisect each other, but not at 90 degree. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not necessary at 90 degree.
Yeah. Bisect each other but not at 90 degree, and diagonals are not equal. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, are you writing with me?
Ma'am?
Are you also writing the notes?
Ma'am, I know this.
Okay, but prefer writing, okay? Whatever I write, just write in your book. I'm not writing so much of the things, okay? Only the important and new to you things only I'm writing. So whatever I write, you prefer
What
it
about,
right.
ma'am, what about trapezoid, rhombus?
Yeah, we will move on to that now. Now, second one we will move to is a rhombus.
Mom, parallelogram and rhombus look similar.
See, all rhombus are parallelograms,
Yes, ma'am.
but all parallelograms are not rhombus. So, rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Here there is a special property that all sides are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, diagonals bisect each other, but also at 90 degree.
Ma'am, but in a parallelogram, all sides are not equal.
Not equal. So this is a
That's what. Rhombus is like more like a square, and then parallelogram is more like a rectangle.
no. You can't say like that because rectangle is also a special type of parallelogram. Okay. And square is a special type of rhombus. Square is special type of rectangle also. Every square is a rectangle, every square is a rhombus, and every square is a parallelogram also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So diagonals bisect each other in a rhombus and also at 90 degree. Turn your camera on karna
Yes, ma'am.
and write this. These are very important properties. This can be used questions in the questions directly. Okay, now tell me, rectangle is also a parallelogram, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in rectangle, the diagonals are also equal. Okay. And also all angles are equal to 90 degree.
Ma'am, all angles are 90 degree in square also.
Yeah. So square is a special type of rectangle. All sides are equal in a square.
Yes, ma'am.
All angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and also bisect each other and also at 90 degrees.
Ma'am, can we go with the questions now?
Yeah. Okay,
Ma'am,
so we will the
finish
chapter
10
theory.
minutes, that's all.
Yeah, the chapter theory is remaining, but we can go with the questions now, and theory we will complete it tomorrow. Okay. Of the homework that I gave you, right? See, theory only circles is remaining now, and some of the quadrilaterals also, and polygons also. So no problem, we can do it tomorrow. You just open the questions now.
Ma'am, where are the questions?
Ma'am sent you, okay, now?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, she still didn't send.
She told me that she sent you again.
No, ma'am, she didn't. I didn't get the message or the PDF of it.
I don't know what where she is standing then, because I just let me open it on my screen only.
Ma'am, are we doing a third chapter now?
Yeah, the questions you said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so tell me the first question.
Ma'am, I can't see. Yes, ma'am. Now I can see. 9 and 8 are ma'am D.
D. Why?
Ma'am, because they're not coprimes, they're not primes, and they're not both coprimes and primes.
Why they are not coprimes?
Ma'am, because coprimes like
Like,
1 minute. Ma'am. Coprimes.
what was the definition of coprime? We wrote it in the first class, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. That's what.
Just open it. Then if you are not knowing the definition, how did you say the answer that they are not coprimes?
Ma'am, because coprimes should like have only one composite number in there. No.
No, that was twin prime, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
See, I am telling you again. The coprime means they have
Yes,
only
ma'am.
one as a common factor.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 7, 2, 3, 5, 9, 25.
Yeah, we wrote that day.
Ma'am, 9 has 3 as a factor and 8 has 4 and 2.
So no common factor, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no common factor and they're not primes because they don't have one. Only one.
Yeah.
Ma'am, D is the answer.
They are coprimes, no?
No,
Only
ma'am.
one.
Co-primes, they're not co-primes.
They are coprimes because only
Ma'am, no,
one.
ma'am. No, ma'am. 8 has 2, right? 8 has 4. 8 has 4 and 2.
Definition of coprime is they should have only one as their common factor.
Yeah.
They have only one, not one common factor, only one as their common factor.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 9 has 3 and 8 has 4 and 2.
So there is no common factor, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's why it's D, none of these.
Coprimes means they have no common factor. Only one as their common factor. One is a factor of every number, no?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are the factors of 8? 1,
Ma'am, 1, 4 and 2.
1, 2, 4 and 8.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the factors of 9?
Ma'am, 1, 3 and 9.
1, 3 and 9. So what is common?
Ma'am, 1.
So what is the definition of coprime?
Ma'am, they should have only one as their common factor.
So is this satisfying?
No, ma'am.
They have only one as their common factor, no?
Ma'am, but they have other factors. They said
But
only
common
one.
factor,
Yes, ma'am, it's only one.
only one as their common factor.
Yes, ma'am. They have more than one.
But they are not common, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am, that's what I told. The answer is D.
no, the answer is A because they are coprimes. They are co-primes, no? See, what are co-primes? Those two numbers that should have only one as their common factor and no other number in their common factors.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if you say no other number, then 2 is a different number, 4 is a different
So
number.
it is not their common factor, no. 2 is a factor of 8, but 2 is not a factor of 9.
Yes, ma'am. So it's none of these.
So it is a co-prime, no. That day we wrote the definition and we wrote the examples. What did we write? That the numbers should have only one as their common factor.
Ma'am, so it's okay if they have more than one.
They have more than one factors, but these
Ma'am, so
factors
any
are
number,
not common.
ma'am, so any two pairs of numbers is co-primes.
No. See, let's say if you take 4 and 8, then what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. And what are the factors of 8?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 4 and 8.
So now they have more than, they have 1 also as their common factor, 2 also and 4 also. So they are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
co-prime.
So, ma'am, so if you take any pair which are not divisible like by each other, they become co-primes, right?
No. Let me take one example. Yeah, you can say that, but you can take it as a definition. Let me take you another example. If you say 12 and 18, they are not divisible by each other, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you write the factors, what are the factors of 12? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4 and 6.
and 12 and 18?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 6 and 18.
9 and 18.
9 and 8.
So now you can see there are more than one as a common factor.
Ma'am, then if you take the very next number of the first number, will it be co-prime?
No. So two consecutive numbers will it will be co-prime. It will always be co-prime. You are saying like that, no? Like you took 8 and 9. If you take 11 and 12, if you take 15 and 16, the consecutive numbers, right?
Ma'am, then even 7 and 2 is.
7 and 8.
Ma'am, 7 and 2.
7 and 2 are also. But in general, you can write this as a concept that two consecutive numbers are always co-prime.
Ma'am, time's up.
Yeah. Okay, you will try this PDF, the questions I sent you yesterday in homework now, this day.
Ma'am, she still didn't send it.
Okay, I'll talk to her, okay? Our next class is on Monday or Tuesday, right?
No, ma'am, our next class is on Wednesday again.
Wednesday. So you have much time. You can solve 30 questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then in the next class, we will discuss these questions and only some part of the theory of the geometry is left. We will start the geometry questions also. See these lines and all.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Karna.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.